Hey Palak, don't sneeze like that. Germs can spread everywhere.
Take a tissue, sneeze into the tissue, throw it into the dustbin, and don't forget to sanitize your hand.
If you don't have a tissue, sneeze into your elbow like this.